This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: textured paper, a small palette of 6/8 oil pastels, and blending tools. First, lightly sketch the main shapes with a neutral pastel. Keep marks simple. Once done, block in large color masses using firm, even pressure to lay down a base layer. Press about halfway to the paper, not max. Make sure to work from background to foreground so you avoid smudging later. Use a scrap to test colors and note their opacity before applying. Once your base is set, begin building midtones and texture through layered strokes. You'll alternate pressure, light strokes for glaze-like effects, firmer strokes for solid color. Blend selectively. Use a stump for smooth transitions, a finger for warmth, and short directional strokes to suggest texture. Because oil pastel is opaque, overlaying cooler hues will recede while warmer hues push forward, so plan depth as you go. Make sure to step back frequently. Viewing from a distance reveals whether values and edges read correctly. To finish, refine details and sharpen edges. Use a sharpened pastel or gently scrape for hairline highlights. Blend only where needed so you keep some tooth and contrast. Once done, introduce final accents, bright whites, darkest accents to lock in depth. Make sure to protect your work. Test a small area before using solvent and apply a fixative spray if desired or frame under glass. If colors look muddy, lift with a clean cloth and reapply fresh. Thin layers to restore clarity as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.